I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We need to talk about Bitcoin trying to take off right now, break out of the bullish pennant that we've been talking about for the last few days. Also, Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance breakout can be a strong idea for a timing a Bitcoin move. Bitcoin could hit $150,000, but instead of getting stuck on crazy price targets, let's focus on time. What if time to sell is more important than the price level? So I want to talk to you about an idea which will possibly change your perspective on how you see this market. Also, you've got MicroStrategy loading up on more Bitcoin. We're going to talk about a lot of different ideas. Very important video. Watch it to the end. Bitcoin, 1 hour chart. The Bitcoin bulls trying to push higher, break out of this bullish pennant. You've seen a run of about 36% in about the last 35 days out of Bitcoin. So a lot of upside by the Bitcoin bulls. We talked about the Bitcoin weekly chart. We're bullish. We're above 31,800. You're above the 200 daily SMA, the 200 weekly SMA. This is bullish for Bitcoin, right? Could see a lot higher prices out of Bitcoin. There's a lot of spot ETF hype, and Bitcoin halving is coming. Main thing is you just don't want to see Bitcoin lose 31,800. Otherwise, devastating for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my spot trading group. We nailed Solana for 144% profits. It was posted, the setup was posted multiple times in the trading group. We nailed Algo for 88%, Sushi for 104%, RNDR for 76%. Right now, I want you to ride the bull market with us to the top. You can sign up for $2 a day. You got to sign up for a year, and I'll give you a month free, right? So all you have to do, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you in the group. We'll make sure that you're in the right coins, make trading this market and direction in this market a lot easier with our guidance and leadership. The leverage group, we're killing it. If you're interested in trading and seeing crazy gains, as far as leverage goes, we can do that for you as well. Just in, the United States government arrests SafeMoon founders. Uh-oh, that's never good. Founders of SafeMoon have been charged with fraud, conspiracy to commit securities fraud, conspiracy to commit wire fraud, and money laundering conspiracy for their roles in defrauding investors in SafeMoon. Not a good thing. Breaking, the Federal Reserve pauses interest rate hikes. So there was a FOMC meeting today, and they didn't raise the rates. Bitcoin 1 month idea. Okay, so what if instead of trying to predict the high of the next Bitcoin run-up, rally, the next bull market top, what if we just focused on time? So if you take this idea, this is December of 2013, right? Bull market rally, you would have sold December of 2013, you'd have basically nailed the top of the market. Now, if you sold December of 2017, and again, this is the monthly chart. So after the parabolic bull market rally, you sold December 2017, essentially you sold the top of the bull market. And again, December 2021, if you would have sold December 2021, you would have essentially sold the top, real close to the top of the bull market. Now, if this holds true, when you're thinking about taking profits out of your altcoins and Bitcoin, as and I've got it written down on a sticky note, October, November, December 2025, I'm looking to take profits on long-term holds, right? Obviously, this thing can pull back. This thing can go a lot of different directions as it has done in the past. But based on this idea, will time be more important to pay attention to? Looking for Bitcoin to top out. So will time give you a greater advantage? And I just put a sticky note. I'm going to put it on my monitor. I'm just going to think about what Bitcoin has done on multiple cycles over the bull markets that we've seen in the past. PayPal in the UK unit, they registered as a crypto service provider. So the Financial Conduct Authority's approval means the payments firm can offer certain crypto services and advertise to local clients. In October, MicroStrategy, they acquired another 155 Bitcoin for $5.3 million. And they now hold 158,400 Bitcoin. The Bitcoin whale strategy for MicroStrategy will make them look like they pulled off one of the smartest investments ever. My question is, are they ever going to take profits? Are they ever going to realize some of the gains? Are they going to ride the next bear market to the downside and then just wait another 4 years? So interesting idea to pay attention to with MicroStrategy. The Fed, this green circle right here. So this is the S&P E-mini futures, right? Basically gives you an idea what the stock market's doing. There's very low correlation in between stocks and Bitcoin right now, right? Which you've seen a lot of downside out of stocks, and that's good because you haven't seen the downside out of Bitcoin. And so in July 2023, the Fed, they removed a recession from their forecast, and this was a top of the market, right? So the Fed said, nope, there's not going to be a recession, and the price nukes. Today, they reaffirmed that, hey, I don't really want to answer this question, but he said, we've reaffirmed the view that the recession has been removed from their forecast. So let's see what the stock market does based on this idea. Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance is a real good way to time a lot of these moves out of Bitcoin. You had a significant pullback and possibly a bull flag forming. If this thing breaks out higher, that's going to help time a move for Bitcoin. A lot of times, when Bitcoin's bullish and trying to work higher, if this breaks out higher, people FOMO into Bitcoin when Bitcoin is moving, right? This is how the first part of the bull market rally starts. Obviously, we're not even to the halving yet, right? But there is a lot of bullish ideas as far as Bitcoin goes right now, just because of the Bitcoin spot ETFs. So yesterday I caught Joe Rogan, Elon Musk talking, and Elon Musk said, I'm taking off, right after this interview, and I'm going to talk about AI. So the global powers signed this international declaration on AI safety. So I'm assuming this is where Elon was headed to. The leaders from 29 countries and the European Union committed to a unified approach to managing AI, emphasizing safety, transparency, and collaboration. I really have to stress the importance of AI as a narrative in crypto. What crypto is really good at is they will ride the coattails of whatever the mainstream media is talking about. And you'll see new AI coins and current AI coins continue to take off because this narrative is being built stronger and stronger. And more important than this declaration of safety is, I talked about how Microsoft, they blew their numbers, profit numbers were out, just blew it out of the water, right? And then I got a notification. I was looking at Google and I saw, yesterday, Google, they're talking about $2 billion investment in AI. And then today asked the question, might have been the day before, and they said, hey, do you want to get in on the list, the backlog, the list for this new AI technology that Google is working on? It's as a part of their search engine. And I'm thinking, okay, AI narrative just got stronger. Microsoft and Google battling it out, going head to head in AI. So very bullish on the AI narrative in this upcoming bull market rally. So watch your AI coins. I'll even go through and look for some smaller cap AI coins and really focus on those. I posted some in the trading group earlier on the year and we're killing it. Now Solana Labs, they unveiled GameShift. Now they announced the beta launch of GameShift. It's Web3 service for game developers. This was a press release that was published yesterday. Integrating GameShift's API to handle blockchain complexity under the hood allows developers to dedicate more resources directly to game development. Developers can even provide a Web2 friendly experience to gamers, easing the common Web3 frictions that can deter user acquisition and engagement. So Solana GameShift beta launch has been announced. So big news for Solana. Pepe is forming an amazing bull flag. Will Pepe's historic run-up continue. I mean, this is a very bullish idea. Unless Bitcoin rolls over, Pepe looks like it wants to move higher, right? So again, Pepe, meme coin. So everybody that's arguing about all these use cases and how these cryptos, and then these meme coins pump, and you're just like, you got to remember all the new money that's about to come in this market. They don't care. They don't really understand. They don't digest a lot of the terminology. They're just like, hey man, this is a cool frog coin and it's pumping and I want it because it's pumping. Just remember, sometimes don't overthink it. Just identify what most of the market is thinking. And when the new money comes in, this market just gets easier and easier to trade because they're just buying the hyped coins that are pumping crazy. And that's why we get the explosive parabolic moves that we will see in the bull market that's coming. We'll look forward to riding the entire bull market to the upside with you. We'll see you again tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much.